In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see liked reels on Instagram app 2023. So go ahead and open your Instagram app. In here, just tap on your profile. And then tap the three horizontal lines on the upper left and select your activity. So as you can see here under the interactions, you will notice the likes, comments, tags, sticker, reporters, and reviews. So just go ahead and tap likes. And you will see here all the reels that you've liked on Instagram app. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next one. Thanks for watching.